What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. So for today, as always, we will be doing a box break of one of our blaster boxes. But before we go to that, let me share to you some updates. So first is available na everyone yung Prism Monopoly natin. So if you would like to buy single packs ng Monopoly Prism, available na siya to our Shopee and Lazada stores. Check them out until supplies last. And then may mga nagtatanong sa Facebook, paano makakakuha ng ating limited edition card blockers. So this is already available guys. Ito yung pinaka-rewards program ni Cards360 wherein if maka-accumulate kayo ng 30,000 worth of purchases sa ating stores, mapa-Lazada man yan, Shopee, or sa ating official website, you'll be entitled to a 5% discount on all our products and also a VIP pass sa ating mga product launches. So, you'll be first in line, naka-reserve na agad kayo sa mga product launches natin. Sure na hindi kayo makakaroon ng out of stock or hindi kayo mauubusan ng mga new product launches natin. On our last episode, we unbox or we rip itong cello packs no, ng 2022-2023 Panini Chronicles. So, ang nakuha natin last time, share ko sa inyo yung mga cards na nakuha natin. So, ito yung mga magagandang nakuha natin. We have Walker Kessler, we have LeBron James, we have Ja Morant, and then yung exclusive tilt parallels na nakuha natin is itong nasa gitna, AJ Griffin. So, for today's episode, ang unbox naman natin guys is yung kanyang blaster box. So, 2022-2023 Panini Chronicles, wherein makukuha natin dito is yung let's hope makakuha tayo nitong 6 blaster exclusive na parallels for a total of 42 cards no per blaster box. So 7 cards per pack and then 7 cards per pack and then 6 packs per box for a total of 42. So makukuha din natin dito yung 4 blaster exclusive na base rookies and star cards per box. That's on average. And then lastly, meron tayong chance din for look for rookie autographs. And then again, for sure that's on average. So hopefully makakuha tayo today. And then if you would like to check further yung mga pwede nyong makuha, heto yung complete list of the products. I-post nyo na lang of the complete product details. So with that, let me open the box and let's check kung ano yung mga possible cards na makukuha natin. Again, this is available sa ating Lazada, Shopee, and official website. Check nyo na lang how to get one. By the way, up na rin yung ating Christmas holiday raffle. So kindly check our website and our Facebook page. Available na guys yung promo mechanics and details nung ating Christmas holiday promo na mag-run from November 24 hanggang January 5. So paki-check na lang doon yung complete details. And one last thing before we start ripping this product, start na rin tayo, makakaroon tayo ng pre-order ng 2023-2024 NBA Hoops Wemby year. Check our pages guys and our website. Mag-start na tayo mag-pre-order. And dun sa mga nag-sign up already, you'll be getting an email from Cards360. So just check your inbox within the next couple of days. So let's start opening yung product natin. So ito siya guys, 6 packs all in all. Let's start ripping 2022-2023 Panini Chronicles. Okay. So first card is Jeremy Sohan from the San Antonio Spurs. Nice one. We have a Ja Morant marquee. Baliktad to pero I doubt kung autograph to guys. Normally sa Chronicles baliktad sila no. So sa kabilang side muna tayo. Next is Stephen Curry from the Golden State Warriors. Nice. And then we have Jaden Hardy from Luminance from the Dallas Mavericks. Next is Jalen Williams Prestige rookie card. And then, nice, we have a Chet Holmgren Pinnacle. Ayan. And then the last one is another rookies and stars of Jalen Williams. So far so good. Maganda yung nakuha natin sa first pack. Let's try second pack. Medyo mahirap siyang buksan Let's try our second pack. Next marquee, Kevin Durant from the Phoenix Suns. Next one is a rookie from Keegan Murray. Team agad yung, hindi team yung lumabas, kundi yung pangalan mismo. So, Keegan Murray from the Sacramento Kings. Next is, baliktad na naman siya. So, dun tayo sa likod guys mag-start. Next is Caleb Houston from the Orlando Magic. And then we have Luminance of Giannis. Walker Kessler from the Utah Jazz. We have SGA, Chronicles, and then Osman Jeng, Rookies and Stars. So if you can, as you can see guys, na magaganda yung mga cards na nakukuha natin. It's combinations of superstars and rookies. And for sure, mga top rookies yung nakukuha natin. Nakakuha na tayo ng Keegan Murray and of course, Chet Holmgren. And then sa superstars, may Ja Morant na tayo, SGA, Kevin Durant, and then nakakuha na rin tayo ng Giannis. So, let's go to the third pack. Next is rookie card of Kennedy Chandler. And then another Sohan from the San Antonio Spurs, Luminance. Another Caleb Houston from the Orlando Magic, Pinnacle. And then we have Andrew Nembhard from the Pacers na tinambakan ng Orlando kanina. Moving on is Rookies and Stars, Johnny Davis. Sa likod naman tayo. Jaden Ivey, nice. Rookie card, Jaden Ivey. NBA Hoops. And then, Christian Coloco Markey, rookie card. So, halfway there. So, let's move on to the fourth pack. So, again, if you're interested to avail this one, guys, kindly check our official Lazada, Shopee, and official website. Available na siya, guys, dun sa mga official stores natin. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and follow our YouTube channel so you'll be able to be notified sa mga bagong products natin, hobby boxes, and card solutions. Moving on, nice one, Paolo Banchero. Diretso sa PC, guys. We have another LeBron James. Nakakadami tayong LeBron from the last box, from the last cello packs, nakakuha din tayo ng maraming LeBron. Moving on is Dyson Daniels from the New Orleans Pelicans, rookie card. And then Nikola Jovic. Nakakuha din tayo ng maraming Nikola Jovic from the cello packs. And then we have Beauchamp from the Milwaukee Bucks, Luminance. Luka Doncic, Chronicles. And then last card for the fourth pack is Julius Randle. So far, so good. Nice cards yung nakukuha natin. Let's move on to the fifth pack. Last two packs for us. Next is Patrick Baldwin Jr. Ganda siya, guys, to. Color pink or purple ba to? Next is Markey, Keegan Murray. Next is Jeremy Sohan. Nakakadami na tayong Sohan dito. Rookies and Stars. And then we have Shaedon Sharpe, Pinnacle. Sa likod muna tayo. Jaden Ivey again. And then we have Williams. Sinong Williams to? Mark Williams. Okay, Luminance. And then Shaedon Sharpe. Moving on to our last pack. So again, so far so good. Ganda yung mga nakuha natin na mga cards, no? Again, this is 2022-2023 Panini Chronicles Blaster Box. 42 cards all in all yung pwede nating makuha. Another Sohan. Next is the defending Slam Dunk champion, Mac McClung. Next is Malachi Branham from the San Antonio Spurs. Another Ousmane Dieng from the OKC Thunder. Next is Kennedy Chandler. Kulay pink siya. Ang ganda. Luminance. Last two cards is Keegan Murray. Nice one. Keegan Murray, guys. And the last card is Tari Eason from the Houston Rockets. So again, that's all for us, everyone. Again, we would like to thank everyone for continuously supporting our stores, and of course, itong YouTube channel natin. Don't forget to subscribe and like para you get more of these updates sa mga upcoming launches natin. That's all for me, everyone. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.